Hello guys, today I want to show you how to flash Neon Ray Go edition J10. This phone was hanging on boot logo, and what you need a flash file or pack file for the Neon Ray J10, and then also you need the Miracle dongle that is produced by Infinity. And then after having those, you also need a computer and then Chinese Miracle Spectrum version 2.07. First of all, go to platform. As you can see down here, Safaricom. Then the next side, pick Neon Ray. After doing that, come to Flasher. Come in this section, right click, load the pack file or the flash file. And then after loading the flash file, you do what? You click flash. As you can see, it's flashing. It has started flashing, and it was at 39%. And after finishing, you'll see like this. This icon will be active, and then here it says flashing finished, done. As you can see, the platform also showed that it is an SPD. That's why we used Chinese Spectrum. That's why we use Spectrum to do the work. So please guys, remember to click on my subscribe button, share the videos to your friends, and also don't forget to follow instructions the way I've told you. You must have what? First of all, you have to have the pack file, you have to have the Infinity dongle, the computer, and the drivers also. Thank you.